Have you thought about starting an M-Pesa agent shop? This video is a complete tutorial on how to go about it. M-Pesa business is one of the most profitable businesses in Kenya. To become an M-Pesa agent, you need to follow a few simple steps. Before we look at these steps, let's have a quick check on the responsibilities of an M-Pesa agent. If you become an agent today, you will be doing the following. Number 1, registration of M-Pesa customers. Number 2, depositing cash into registered customers' M-Pesa accounts. Number 3, processing cash withdrawals for registered M-Pesa customers. Number 4, processing cash withdrawals for non-registered M-Pesa customers. Number 5, customer education. Number 6, compliance with Safaricom AML and KYC policy. Number 7, compliance with Safaricom business practices. And number 8, branding of their outlets as per provided guidelines. Well, having known your key responsibilities as an M-Pesa agent, let's now get to the most interesting part, how to become an agent. To become an agent, you need the following. The prospective agent must be registered as a limited company or equivalent with at least 3 outlets ready to offer M-Pesa under the company name. 2, the company must have traded for a minimum period of 6 months. 3, proposed outlets shall be audited prior to the commencement of business. And lastly, only applications for outlets in opportunity area will be considered. You must also attach the following documents for detailed information. Number 1, certificate of incorporation. 2, form CR12 or an equivalent form valid for the last 3 months. 3, copies of IDs of office administrators and primary assistant as indicated in the application form. And lastly, completed agent application form. For agents who do not meet the full requirements of being an M-Pesa agent dealer, should provide the following documents. 1, good conduct. 2, business permit. 3, identification documents. You can use the following as access channels, that is, the agent app, agent SIM toolkit, M-Pesa organization portal, M-Pesa dealer portal for head offices. Now let's talk about float purchase. We shall begin with float purchases for super agents. Super agents can confirm KYC details of the operator requesting the float, deposit or withdrawals by asking the operator to present their ID and then dialing *234# on the super agent till. Then select M-Pesa agent services. Next, select super agency KYC. Next, enter the agent number, enter the national ID or the operator requesting the deposit or withdrawal, and then send. This will populate the agency name, deposit limit, withdrawal limit, and the operator name. The super agent will verify the details against the ID and proceed to offer the service. M-Pesa float availability, deposit, or withdrawal, that is super agency services, are offered by banks in the following models. Some banks only offer super agency services to Safaricom agents who have bank accounts with them. As a result, the agent must have a bank account with the respective bank to receive the services. These banks include Cooperative Bank, Diamond Trust Bank, that is the DTB, and Barclays Bank. It's good to note that Kenya Commercial Bank will offer super agency services to both accounts and non-account holders, but account holders will be able to transact up to 100,000 Kenyan shillings per day. Other banks offer super agency float deposits and withdrawal services to both account and non-account holders. These banks include NCBA Bank, Equity Bank, Family Bank, NIC Bank, National Bank, Consolidated Bank of Kenya, I&M Bank, Spire Bank, Middle East Bank, Credit Bank, African Banking Corporation, Gulf African Bank, Coop Bank, Housing Finance Cooperative of Kenya, Bank of Africa, Transnational Bank, Jamii Bora Bank, Chase Bank, Prime Bank, and UBA. Now let's talk about float purchase for sub-agents. An agent makes a deposit of M-Pesa trust account, cash checks, RTGs, or EFT, which is converted to e-money. When purchasing M-Pesa float, the organization will be required to indicate the following information on the deposit slip, or EFT or RTGS. The organization's head office short code / business number as the beneficiary account number, the beneficiary account name in mpesa Holding Company Limited, beneficiary bank as Cooperative Bank of Kenya. The cashier/bank agent shall validate organization details using the available channels before crediting the funds. The agents can also purchase float from super agent. Now we can now talk about M-Pesa Agent Business Loan. This is a credit facility that is offered to M-Pesa agents. M-Pesa agents can borrow between 5,000 to 10 million for their M-Pesa agency. As an M-Pesa agent, you will be charged a fee of 0.123% of the total value of the amount requested. The benefits of an M-Pesa agent loan is that M-Pesa agents can access credit for working a float to enhance their customer deposit. To be eligible for this service, M-Pesa agent business must do the following. The setting of the loan limit for the M-Pesa agent head office is based on the M-Pesa agent till activity. You must have been an active M-Pesa agent head office for at least 3 months. You should not have been blacklisted or suspended within the last year. This is the registration process for the M-Pesa agent business loan. On your phone, dial *234*3#. Select M-Pesa agent business loan. Enter the head office number. Enter the primary assistant ID. Accept the terms and conditions to opt in. Dial *234*3#. Select M-Pesa agent business loan. Select pay loan. Select the financier. Note that you can opt out the M-Pesa agent business loan if you do not have any outstanding loans. M-Pesa agent head office till is either suspended or frozen will not be allowed to use the M-Pesa agent business loan service. If you have a loan with M-Shwari and KCB M-Pesa, you will be allowed to borrow M-Pesa agent loan since this is a different loan service. That is how to register an M-Pesa agent shop in Kenya. See you in your business. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.